This is what I need today. I'm going to make sure I have my microphone in front of me so you can hear me. I'm going to grab my amethyst crystal, so I have that with me. And I'm just going to go ahead and begin, okay? So, I am Adrienne, also known as CapricornTigress of Astrology, a look inside.com. I'm an astrologer, I'm a tarot reader, and I'm also a certified spiritual healer. And I decided that I would grab my jade here and some amethyst here and bring in some spiritual healing, because after seeing and hearing what I saw and heard over the last 48 hours, I believe a deep spiritual detox is needed. I believe that those who follow Donald Trump are under some type of, I don't want to say brain control, but definitely mind altering mindset. That they're seeing things from a viewpoint that's askew. Now, they might look at someone like me and go, oh, but you're askew. But see, I'm with the moral majority. I'm with the majority of people who see what I also see. I'm not alone in what I see. There are some of you who saw or still see what you see, but increasingly every day, more and more people are waking up and realizing that they followed a false god. So the question remains, how long do you continue to follow a false god once you realize the god is false? That's what we're going to kind of go over today, because there has to be a point, I would think, when your eyes open and you see what's really happening. I mean, some people don't want their eyes to open. They don't want to see what's happening, right? That's the thing. It's painful. It's an awareness that I think some are blindly protecting themselves from the truth. They don't want to know the truth. They get angry if you try to share the truth that so many, including the prosecutors, see. I told my story about why I believe he's guilty. I think the man's always been guilty. I've never believed in him. I believe in the person I was told he was back in the early 80s. He's never not been that person. But for those who, it's like you bought a, whatever, I guess, the presidential storyline was, and to get him in there, and you've held on to that, and even in the face that it was a lie. Now, I made a video yesterday that talked about how Geminis are the known liars of the zodiac. That's what they're known for, is lies. And you know, I don't know if how much you guys even accepted that, because once you're brainwashed, it's, You know, if you see everyone as the enemy or that everyone's wrong, I mean, reality is all part of our perception, right? What's right, what's wrong, who's, you know, good and bad, it's all part of perception. And if your perception is askew, so we're going to deal with that. I'm going to try to do something in a moment that I may or may not be able to do. Hold on, I'm going to edit my avatar so I can add a new avatar here. So when I do what I'm about to do, you don't have to look at my face, because I don't know. I'm just thinking you don't want to have to look at my face. I mean, I could be wrong, and maybe you do want to look at my face, but I'm assuming that you'll enjoy looking at my avatar much better. So let me put that on while I do this, and much prayer to all of you who who have experienced whatever you experienced. And please bear with my voice. I'm going to go get some tea in a moment, and then I'll return with this. But it can't be easy, and so my heart's out to all of you, no matter how you believe.